guys, what's up? We're at Legoland, Florida, where we've been invited out to experience their Ninjago weekends. Let's go inside and see what's going on. So out front here, they got this cool little mural. So they got this little dragon guy, and then over here, they got another photo op. So this is really cool. They got this right out in front. So over at the Legoland Hotel, they do actually have a special Lego Ninjago room, and we're gonna go ahead and check that out first. Actually got a chance to check out the Ninjago Rooms. That was actually really cool. They were nicely themed, actually really themed. They had like lanterns, the ninjas all over the place, even down to the bedding, and they had this really cool thing in there. They had a scavenger hunt, so they had clues all over the place, which is really nice and interactive for the kids. And then at the end there, they had like a little treasure chest that has like a little prize inside there, so it's really nice. It's a little something extra for the Legoland people to do, so that's really cool. Overall, I think it's really nice for a hotel room, plus it's right on property, which is really nice. So overall, A+, and definitely something you should look into if you're going to be going to Legoland. Just a sidetrack for a moment as we head past the entrance. This is actually where the new sea life is going to be going in, so that's going to be really exciting as a separate attraction when you visit the park. So over by Granny's Apple Fries, they have this Ninjago themed dessert. So it's gonna be, of course, apple fries with banana soft serve and strawberry boba and ninja sprinkles. So yeah. Over by Coastersaurus, they have this thing called the Ultimate Dragon Build. You can enter it if you're 16 years of age or younger. Of course, you do need a parental or a guardian permission. They give you this little plate. The theme is dragon, of course. You can see someone already has their plate over here. They give you the plate, of course, and your build has to be 12 inches or lower. And throughout the day, judges will judge it and pick a winner. The prize, of course, is a $400 prize pack from Legoland. So very cool. Just a reminder, the Lego Ninjago weekends are going on January the 20th through February the 19th. All right, looks like we got Lloyd over here. Hi, Lloyd. How you doing? Good. Awesome.
A little bit louder this time. Ninja! Ninja!
Right over here next to Ninjago Land is a show. It's called the School of Spinjitsu. They hold it so many hours, select times throughout the day, so you can catch that.
Low block, ha! High block, ha! Strike, hi-ya! Spinjitsu! Kick, kick!
Over at the Lego City stage, they have Lloyd's Elemental Challenge, and here's the time for that.
Oh, Ninja! It's challenge time!
of the strongest elements, Earth! Ninjago! After us, here we go! Stomp!
Hall, you can meet your favorite Ninjago hero. So we got Kai, Naya, Zane, and Pixel. Pixel, what's your favorite move? Let's hit it. Favorite move. Awesome. Thank you, Pixel. Over at the Legoland Coffee Co., they have another themed item. It's a hibiscus kombucha lemonade. So that's hibiscus kombucha with lemonade, ginger beer, and macerated berries. So interesting. I've never had kombucha before, so this will be another cool activity you can do. Is the Cobra Super Brick Build. That's over by Coaster Stores. It's going on 11 to 5:30 p.m. on select dates, so you can help build a giant 6-foot tall Cobra out of Legos. Another themed Ninjago treat. Dragon's Den has some yummy looking wings. The Wings of Wisdom, so it's a sweet Thai chili glaze with some coleslaw on the side. Can't wait to tuck into these guys. Of course, what the weekend is all about, Ninjago, and here is the Ninjago Land. Of course, you guys have already seen the video. If you haven't, scroll back and check that video out. They have this little rock climb area. Cool little interactive area, and it makes sounds too when you climb it. Of course, a ninja's gotta eat, so they have a ninja kitchen, a little food truck, and they have curry seasoned fries, sweet and sour chicken, pork pot stickers, and they got a bunch of sauces. So they have sriracha mayo and citrus soy. They do have a ride called Ninjago The Ride. It is a dark ride, and basically you use your karate chopping skills. They do have names for them to do certain adventures in there. So yeah, that's what that ride's all about. They have a show in Ninjago Land called the Dragon's Drumbeat, and you can see the times here. Legoland Florida Resort for the Ninjago weekends. I had a great time. It looks like it's going to be a great event for kids as well as adults. So yeah, as far as the food goes, my favorite was the apple fries, that banana ice cream, and the strawberry boba on top. As far as the shows go, the dancing show and then the Lloyd's Elemental challenge was good. And then all together, the theming throughout the park was well put together. And yeah, overall a good event. So we hope to be back for more events at Legoland. So if you guys like what we do, follow us on all our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!